Are blankets tricky to use? Are hoodies too mainstream? Does combustion appear nonsensical? Are blankets impeding upon your ability to perform everyday tasks? Tired of looking like this? Then you'll love the new Cuddly. It's a blanket with armholes. Unlike the Snuggie, the Cuddly is designed specifically to fit your social needs. While Snuggies are only used by the socially inept, the Cuddly was created for those who seek to pursue human interaction. Cuddlies are not just made for single white women. While mating, enjoy the couple's Cuddly. Or in the event of an accidental pregnancy, the baby Cuddly. Cuddlies are for the whole family too. Spend quality time with your genetically related loved ones in the warmth of an allergenic material. And you'll have to spend time with them, because in the Cuddly, you are physically bound to the person next to you. And now, keep your cat off the floor and onto your hip with your happy Cuddly Cat hip attachment. With the vertical Cuddly, fixing light bulbs has never been so warm. Missing an appendage? Struggle into one of our one-armed Cuddlies. Available in left arm only. The Human Sentai Cuddly is the perfect Cuddly for your trips to Europe. Now you'll never be cold while digesting a stranger's feces. Made from recycled shards of glass, the Cuddly comes in one color and can be found in your local Chinatown. The Cuddly is perfect for any occasion. Do everything that you can already do, but do it warmer. Spite the terrorists. Go green and reduce heating costs by wearing your new Cuddly. Be a part of the traditional American sedentary lifestyle. Not only does the Cuddly allow you to enjoy democracy and warmth, but also shrouds your horribly disfigured cholesterol-amassing orb of a body in a blanket of freedom. The Cuddly is an approved anthrax-free product. Get your Cuddly today!